Presenting the Ford 2013 Explorer XLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include voice-activated navigation system, comfort package, driver connect package, equipment group 202A, trailer tow package, class 3, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player and MP3 decoder. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.